I just received a super exciting box in the mail, and I am so excited about what is in here. I cannot wait to share it with you today. Here's a little hint. It's one of my very favorite products to sell on Etsy, plus a little something more. Hi there. My name is Emily. Welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha Chings, where every single week I am bringing you practical tips, tools, and strategies to help you grow your Etsy print on demand shop. Now, if we haven't met before, I started my Etsy shop a little over 3 years ago as a busy mom of two, looking for a way to make some flexible income. And it has led to so much more than I ever imagined. And now I am a full time print on demand seller. Now, if you haven't seen some of my videos before, you might not know that candles are actually one of my very favorite products to sell on Etsy. And it's a product that absolutely skyrocketed my shop. And this week, I am so excited to share with you the new candle gift box set from the print partner Lumiant, sold through Printify. And I could not be more impressed. Now, let's back up a little bit before I show you the goods in here to talk about why this could be such a key product in your shop and one that would be great to add before the busy holiday season. Now, as I mentioned, I have sold candles for a long time and I have sold well over 22,000 plus candles in my Etsy shop. So I have a little bit of knowledge in this space. And one thing I always wish that we had on Printify was a gift box, because if you go over to Etsy and you use the Everbee extension, you will see that the phrase candle gift box is searched over 2,000 plus times per month. Let me show you. So you can see here, candle gift box is searched over 2,000 times per month. And if you were to scroll through the results, you would see so many best sellers out here. And remember, buyers are often looking for candles because they want to give a special gift to the person in their life. And a lot of times they want it packaged in a way that is really pretty. They want it to feel like a complete set. And these new candle gift boxes are opening up a whole new avenue here. You can see using the Everbee extension that some candle gift boxes have only been up for a couple months and are already best sellers. Some have been up, this one, for example, for 5 months and is already a bestseller as well. So, as I mentioned, you can access this candle set directly on Printify, and you'll see that it comes with an amber jar candle with a black lid. Also comes with a really cute set of coordinating matchsticks and also a candle wick trimmer. Now, I wasn't quite sure what to expect when I ordered this sample, and this picture gave me a good idea, but I was seriously more than impressed. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. First thing I want to address is that it was packaged incredibly well. It was wrapped in two different poly mailers, and this cardboard box is incredibly sturdy. Also, you can see here there is a lot of crinkle paper included, keeping the product incredibly secure inside the package. Now, what do we get inside? First things first is a 9-ounce amber candle. This candle is very solid. The top is a matte black and it's really pretty, and also smells really good. And these candles, as I've said, the amber candles have done so well in my shop. They sell like crazy cuckoo bananas. And so now being able to get them in a gift box is a huge added bonus. The second thing that's included is this super cute little jar of matches, and it is pretty secure. It doesn't feel like it's glass. I think it's plastic, but it came completely intact inside the box. Beautiful, super cute addition to this gift set. And I won't lie, the thing I'm honestly most surprised with is this candle wick trimmer, because it's very heavy duty. This was much heavier than I expected. I kind of expected it to be just like a plastic wick trimmer, but it is really heavy duty. And I was very impressed when I picked it up. I was very surprised. So overall, I feel like for the value that you get, this is a great option if you are looking to add gift boxes. I know personally, I will be testing these out in my own shop, especially as we get closer to the holiday season, because people love sending gift boxes like this. Now, just a couple quick things about candles in general before you start selling them. One is you want to make sure that you do include a size chart in your listing because these candles, while they are so nice, so durable, they feel really high quality when you're holding them, they are a bit smaller. And so you want to make sure that you do include a size chart so that you can easily lay out how much 9 ounces actually is in a candle. You'll also want to include exactly what comes in the gift box, how it arrives, pictures of it in the crinkle paper is going to be important. You really want to illustrate exactly what they will be receiving. And in terms of the candle itself, my recommendation is always keep it simple with your designs. You can see here for a lot of these candles that are selling that a lot of times they are incredibly simple designs, mostly text based and mostly focused on connecting with the customer that they're trying to reach. So don't feel like you have to over design these candles at all. We want to keep it really straightforward. As I mentioned, I will be definitely including these in my shop as we are ramping up for the holiday season. You can access these through Printify at the link below in my show notes. I would love to hear if you are selling candles or if you're thinking about adding these to your shop. And don't forget to hit like or subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video. And let me know if you have other questions or comments below so I can answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha Chings. My name is Emily, and I look forward to seeing you next time.